Welcome to Stealth Security. In today's video, we're going to talk about a tool that pen testers and bug bounty hunters love, Burpsuite. Burpsuite is a powerful web application testing platform. It includes a range of tools and features for testing the security of web applications. Some of the main components of Burpsuite include a proxy, the intruder, and the repeater. Let's look at each one of them in detail. First, we have the Burp Proxy. The proxy allows you to stop and change the data that passes between your browser and the target application. The proxy acts as a man in the middle, and you can forward the request to other Burp tools before sending it to the target. I'll show you a demo of using the Burp Proxy later in the video. Next, we have the repeater. When you capture a request using the proxy, you can forward it to the repeater for further analysis. The repeater allows you to send individual HTTP requests and view the responses. You can also modify and resend requests to test different input variations. This will help you understand how the application behaves when you send it a variety of inputs. Next, we have the intruder. Intruder allows you to launch automated attacks on web applications to test their security. You can use it to test for issues such as cross-site scripting and SQL injection. The intruder also provides a range of features for customizing your attacks. You can perform brute forcing, dictionary attacks, and even fuzzing using the intruder. There are a few other tools that come with Burpsuite, including Spider, Scanner, Decoder, Sequencer, and Comparer. These are out of the scope for this video, so I'll put a link to the Burpsuite documentation in the description below. Let's see how Burpsuite works. I'm going to start Burpsuite, capture a login request, and modify it using the repeater. First, let's start a Chrome instance that comes with the Burp Proxy. Then we'll go to a site like buffer.com. Now let's capture the login request by switching on the proxy. I'll enter an email and a random password. When I click login, you can see that the website keeps loading. This is because the proxy has stopped the request for us. We will have to forward a couple of requests before getting to the login request. This is because there might be other API calls running in the site's background. There we go, here is our login request. Now let's send it to repeater. You can see the captured request in repeater. You can also see the username and password I used. Now you can edit it to whatever you like and send the request to see the response. Here's the response. So we've captured a request, modified it, sent to the target, and analyzed its response. This is just a sample of what Burpsuite can do. I'll make a more detailed video on working with Burpsuite, so subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. In summary, Burpsuite is an incredibly powerful tool that is essential for any web application pen tester. It includes a range of features that can help you secure your web apps and identify potential vulnerabilities. If you want to get into bug bounty hunting, Burpsuite is the first tool you should think about mastering. Thank you for watching this video on Burpsuite. I hope you found it helpful and are now equipped with the knowledge to start using this powerful tool. Along with videos, we publish articles on our blog as well. You can find a lot of practical tutorials on topics like password cracking, social engineering, Wi-Fi attacks, and many others on our blog. You can find the link for our blog in the description below. We publish 2 to 3 videos every week. If you want us to send you a summary of our videos, you can sign up for our weekly newsletter. We will send you an email every Friday with a summary of our articles and videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or topic suggestions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another topic.